Hey guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's
alright.
I didn't know you were doing a video. Right,
Yeah,
okay.
will be now,
Cool.
yeah.
Happy days. Awesome.
This is Josh. So we're just out in the woods today, just doing a bit of bushcraft. So we had a fire going, obligatory cup of tea, which we're both drinking out of our beautiful cups. We were going to do a few pothooks today, I think, and pot hangers just to try seeing a few different styles, and I think we're going to give some a go at you as well.
Absolutely.
So that'll be good. I also decided to have a go at making a leather canteen as well. So I'm going to. It's not got a stopper at the moment, so it's not very good at holding water. But managed to get it waterproof, so I might do a video in the future of how to make these things because they are pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll get a stopper on here and test it for waterproofness, and yeah, I'll do us for today, I think.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
All right, buddy. we go, guys. That's one of the pot hooks that I've done today, and yeah, it's pretty strong. Just have to try it out now and see if it'll hold weight, which I'm sure it will do. But yeah, it's good to try these little projects. You know, it's obviously there's lots of pot hangers that you can buy from you know, outdoor stores and things like that. But it's always good just to, you know, give it a go. Try different techniques. It's good to practice your cuts and see how accurate you are. But yeah, pretty pleased with that. So I'll put it to the test soon. So we've got Josh at the moment who's busy making the pot hanger stands, and we can try it on there. So let's have a look at that one. Awesome, guys. So just finished just having a bit of grub actually, because we've been working hard, you know. So I thought I'd show you what we got up to today, just to finish off. So over here, this is the pot hook style we've got. So we've got a few withies here. Again, I didn't show them on this video, but we'll yeah, on another one we'll show you how these are made. Really cool. Just split the top of these poles, and that's where you can then put this bar on the top. And here's the one I made. So this one was made by Josh, which is good work there, Josh. There he is. I'll get him in the picture. There. Fabulous. Yeah, so it's a nice bushcraft day out, really. We'll just go out a bit further so you can actually see it. There you go. So we'll have a fire under there as well, and we'll test it out. But overall, it's been a pretty good day. You enjoyed
Absolutely,
it?
yeah. Great day. Really good day.
So, right, I'll catch you in a bit, guys.
Real.
See you later.
See ya.